Hey there friends, welcome to DoodleToots TV. I'm DoodleToots and I love to draw. And if you love to draw as much as I do, you're in luck because today we're going to learn how to draw a globe. Okay, so before we get started on drawing this globe, let's make sure that we have the colors that we need in order to start and to complete this project. So I'm going to use black, as always, for our outline color, and then we're going to need 2 greens, we'll need 1 blue, and we'll need a gold, like a dark gold and a light gold, or maybe just 2 shades of yellow, whatever you have. So that's black for the outline, 2 greens, 1 blue, 2 yellows. Okay? So once you get your colors, let's go ahead and get started with a circle in the center of our paper here. And now we're going to imagine an imaginary line that cuts through at an angle on this circle. And so we'll put a rectangle up here at the top at an angle, and then just imagine an imaginary line that goes all the way through like this, and then finishes with another rectangle like that down here. Okay? And then we're going to draw a big C shape that follows along the outside of this curve here. Okay, so let's do like that. Okay, and then we're going to want to do that again a little bit higher. There we go. And then we're going to go through there and put a little box on that side, through here, and put a little box on that side. Okay, and then underneath, we're going to want to put a line here and a line here. And then a diagonal line here, a diagonal line here, and a big curve to connect it all up. And then one curve inside of here that doesn't quite connect to the other side, like that. Okay? And there we go. Oops. Okay, so we have our globe here. Now it's time to start coloring. We're not actually going to draw the earth with outlines. We're going to use that for just our colors, okay? So let's switch over to our lightest yellow color, or our light gold color. And let's do a little line on the inside of here. It goes just like that. And then we want to put a little line that goes like this, kind of to the right of the center here. And then we want to put that line also at the same angle as this line here. Okay? And that is going to be the highlight where the light is shining and reflecting on this gold globe container. Okay, or gold frame. Okay, so let's start with our darker color gold, and we're going to fill in all these bits here, the rest of the frame, wherever we didn't get that lighter gold showing up. Okay? And we go around the outside of this curve here. Color all this in. And we'll go down here. Go down just along this edge here. Follow it here. And on this side as well. Okay, and that's all with that darker gold color. Okay, guys, now the next thing we need to do is the inside of our globe. And I am going to start with a light green, and I'm going to draw just a very general outline of a part of the globe. So I'm going to focus more on, starting with the North America and South America on the left side here, and then over into Europe and Africa on the right side, and then we'll have a big piece of the Atlantic Ocean in the middle. Okay, so let's start here. Oops, let's start here, and let's kind of move up around here, down with Florida, come around with Mexico, down into South America, and then down there. And we'll come up here and over and up here, and we'll put the upper areas of Canada and Greenland and Iceland up there. And then we'll have maybe like a bit of the UK poking out there. And then we have maybe mainland Europe coming around, and then Africa, and then down. It's not super precise, but you get the gist of what it's going to look like here. Okay, so now we've got our light green. I want to move into the dark green, and I'm going to color inside where we did those light green. So think of the light green as like maybe the shoreline or the coasts of all of these continents and countries. Okay, so I'm just going to color in with this darker green color. There we go. And up into the United States, where I live, and into Canada, where I have a lot of my friends who live as well. And let's get these countries up here. Hello to all my friends in Europe. And down to the Middle East and into Africa. Okay. There we go. Okay, now we have that. What's left in the world is all the water that connects us all, right? And so everywhere that's left white on our globe, we want to make sure that we color in with the blue, right? Okay, so go all around. And the reason I start with the light green as the border and then I finish with the darker blue is that if you're using maybe like markers or something like that, it's a little bit easier to fix the edge of a country and like maybe go in a little bit and have that darker blue cover it up if you need to. Especially if you were doing this as like a painting. With like maybe like acrylics, that would actually help quite a bit because you would have the darker color going on top. Okay, let's finish you up South America and around. We don't quite see Antarctica on this map, on this globe rather, but here we go. And we're done. Perfect. Look at that. Where do you live on this? Can you find your country where you live? Take a look. Point to it. Okay, thank you guys so much for stopping by to draw with me today, and I can't wait to see you again next time. Goodbye. Whoa. Make sure that before you go, you like this video and that you are subscribed to our channel so you can stay connected to all of the DoodleToots TV content. Also, if you just like to color, head over to DoodleToots.com/color and you can download the coloring pages for any of the drawings that we've done so far. Get out there and have fun, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.